Hello everyone to Abhiko channel. Today I'll be showing a new website which is a fork of the Leechess website, which is called leechyogi.org. This website is a fork of Leechess, and the Leechess is an open source website, so like people can make forks of it and make variants or some other stuff out of it. So as you know, this year and last year the website piechess.org exists, and if you check out some of the videos on my other YouTube channel called Blindfold Chess, you'll get to know that there are a lot of variants that I've tried to cover: Shogun, S House, and so on. But here we are talking about Leechyogi. And for those of you guys who don't know what Leechess is an open source website where you can play chess, classical chess, and so on. And there are also a little bit of traffic for variants. So as you can see, this is a really, really good thing. Leechess is having over 100,000 players online, which is not crossed for the last 10 years, and this is really good. But now in this video we are not here to talk about Leechess. We are here to talk about Leechyogi. So what is the game of shogi? So for that I'll just bring up this page, this learn page of PyChess, just to quickly discuss the rules of shogi. So shogi is Japanese chess, and if for those guys who have played Crazy House chess, where the captured opponent's pieces you can drop it back, the idea is similar in shogi, but the pieces are quite different. So it's played on a 9x9 board, and there are two strong pieces called the bishop and the rook, and there's gold general, silver general, gold general, king, knight, and lance, and the king itself, and 9 pawns. So let's just discuss how the movements. The king is just like normal chess king, the rook is like a normal chess rook, the bishop is like a normal chess bishop, but the whenever any piece, this kind of pieces reach the 6th rank, they promote, and when they promote they have some additional features. That is this, they are able to have extra squares where they can capture or move. So here is the dragon king, dragon horse, and then we have gold general, which moves like a king, but these 2 squares are cut off. Then we have silver general, these 3 squares are cut off, and then we have a knight which only hops to 2 squares, and then we have a lance which just goes forward, and we have a pawn. So as you can see, the knight and the lance are very, very weak pieces, and the reason for that is in battles they just want to simulate a battle using full information game, and you don't want knights hopping left and right and back like it happens in normal chess. The knight is just trotting, but it's 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, and it's just going in the forward direction, and same is with the so-called chariot piece, which just goes forward. Then you have pawn, it moves forward and it captures forward. So that's the difference from normal chess. So yeah, I've got the shogi rules down. This reading Japanese kanji is a bit difficult, so that's why people use international sets. So whenever you come to leechess.org and you click on some random game, you can click on top right and select piece set, and there are various piece sets. So this is one kanji set, second kanji set, this is like traditional calligraphy set, this is like gives a wooden feel kind of set, and there's the international set. It's I recommend using the international set. So yeah, this website is new, it has been just made last year. So the one thing that I think so will attract you to this website is you can make studies. So I'll just open one of the study that I made. So as you can see, you can make a study which you can also do it on Leechess. So this is a very, very handy tool, can come to a great use when you are trying to analyze games. And as you can see, I'm just kind of writing comments here. I can even write exclamation marks and so on, and I can just cover variations after variation. So okay, so if I don't want this variation, I want this variation, I can make this variation, and then it will be, you will have variations. So this is the sub variation that I have. So you can have leech studies, which is a good feature of leeches, and other than that, you have tournaments too. You can go here. There's a daily blitz tournament starting, and it's starting in 30 minutes. Maybe it might not have that many people, but sometimes some tournaments do have. Currently there are about, I think, 40 people on site or 36 people on site, and the as you can see on PyChess, there are few variants of shogi that are present. There's mini shogi, which is played on a 5x5 board, and there's Kyoto shogi, which is very hard because the pieces change every move. That makes it interesting. So it's even though it's a 5x5 board, it's quite hard. Then there is Dobutsu, which is for kids. It's played on a 4x3 board, and it's a fun game for people who have less of age less than 5 years old. But in leeches, in Lee Shogi, you can't have all these variants. You can just have this normal shogi, and also you can play against an AI, as I'll demonstrate right now. So I'm playing against an AI. Okay, wait. Okay, this opening is going on. I'll just try and bring my, oh, I lost my bishop. That's sad. See, I'm pre-moving randomly, but okay, I'm just trying to demonstrate the point. And here goes all of my pieces. Here is a double pin that my opponent did. It's a machine. Okay, and I got checkmated in 21 moves. So that shows I have a lot to work on in shogi. So yeah, the website features, you can go to learn, and then you'll get to know some things about like gold general. So let's go, okay, here and here. So you'll get to know how the gold general moves. So now the gold general moves like a king, but 2 squares cut off. Yeah, and so on. Okay, but I'm not doing that. What I really want to discuss is, okay, the feature that I liked about this website is having coordinates. So I do like leeches coordinates, and I average about 45 in that. But shogi coordinates are a bit different. So 3G is here, 6E that's here, 7H is here, 2A is here, 8H is here, 5G is, where is 5G? Here? No, here. No, here. Okay. 6H is here, 1E, 8H, 2G, 5H. So yeah, I got a score of 10 out of in 30 seconds. But yeah, you can practice coordinates too, and you can also play correspondence games and so on. So I hope you found Lee Shogi and Shogi variant very exciting, and I hope that you enjoy this website called leeshogi.org, and thank you for watching.